I was invited by my cousin to accompany her at SB19's Simula at Wakas World Tour Concert. I am not really a fan of P-pop or even K-pop, pero naaya niya ako. So ayan, nandiyan na kami sa Philippine Arena.
A few moments later.
Excited much to find our seats. Frankly, I'm not expecting so much sa concert na to. Kasi nga, hindi naman ako fan ng SB19. So, I really thought na uupo lang ako doon and makikinig sa mga music nila. Pero, after some time, naiba yung nangyari.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
So, ayan, meron silang photo cards randomly na ibibigay sa lahat ng umattend sa concert. So, ayan, binubuksan ko siya. Guess who? Kung sino yung nakuha ko. Ayun, na-enjoy ko na yung concert and kung makita nyo talagang everyone was really having a good time and masasabi ko na it's one of the most memorable concerts na napanood ko and it's one of the best. I really enjoyed the music of SB19. Tsaka iba talaga kapag nanonood ka ng live performance. Sobrang ganda rin ng lights coming from our wrist and our light sticks. More pictures and videos of their concert. We are all enjoying. Ngayon man
346 minutes later.
After the concert, we decided to eat at McDonald's. Ine-endorse din nila ito. I'm so thankful to my cousin for bringing me at SB19's Simula at Wakas World Tour concert. It's really a memorable moment for both of us. Hindi na namin ito makakalimutan. Thanks so much again!